So dear students, firstly we will do keywords from this chapter. There are 12 keywords in this chapter. Our first is inventors. What is the spelling of inventors? INVENTORS. इन्वेंटर्स. इन्वेंटर्स होता है जो कुछ इन्वेंट करता है, कुछ नया खोजता है. क्लियर. Our second is ADDLED. Adult. Adult means confused. Adult. ADDLED. Our third is unusual. 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 Unusual होता है असाधारण. क्लियर. जो नॉर्मल ना हो. फोर्थ इज ADVENTURES. एडवेंचर्स. एडवेंचर्स पता ना आपको क्या होता है? एडवेंचर्स जो मीन्स जोखिम से भरा हो, खतरों से भरा हो. एडवेंचर्स. क्लियर. अवर फिफ्थ इज VORACIOUSLY. वॉरसियसली. वॉरसियसली मीन्स इन लार्ज क्वान्टिटीज़, बहुत बड़ी मात्रा में. वॉरसियसली. क्लियर. VORACIOUSLY. Our sixth is laboratory. 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 Laboratory means जो उसकी लैब थी. क्लियर. दैट इज लेबोरेटरी मीन्स प्रयोगशाला जहाँ पे एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं. आवर सेवंथ इज एक्सपेरिमेंट. EXPERIMENT. एक्सपेरिमेंट. एट्थ इज केमिकल्स. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ केमिकल्स? CHEMICALS. chemicals. Ninth is magazines. Ninth is magazines. 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 Tenth is cellar. CELLAR. 11th phonograph. What is 11th? Phonograph. PHONOGRAPH. Phonograph means a sound recorder. And what is the spelling of phonograph? PHONOGRAPH. 12th is compartment. कंपार्टमेंट क्या होता है? रेल का डिब्बा. क्लियर. COMPARTMENT. क्लियर. कंपार्टमेंट. So how many keywords are here? 12. First is inventors. Second, adult. Third, unusual. Fourth, adventures. Fifth, voraciously. Sixth, laboratory. Seventh, experiment. Eighth, chemicals. Ninth, magazines. 10th, cellar. 11th, phonograph. And 12th is compartment. Now we will do word meaning. Clear? Our first word is FRAGILE. Fragile. Fragile means weak. What is first? FRAGILE. Fragile means weak. Second is adult. ADDLED. What is our second? Adult. Adult means confused. CONFUSED. Fragile, weak means kamjor. Adult, confused, not able to think clearly. Our third is withdraw. 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 Withdraw means to take back. What is the meaning of withdraw? To take back. वापस लेना. Our fourth is curiosity. What is the spelling of curiosity? CURIOSITY. Curiosity. Curiosity means strong wish to know something. What is the meaning of curiosity? Strong wish to know something. Clear? Our fifth is voraciously. What is the spelling of voraciously? VORACIOUSLY. Raciously. Voraciously means in large quantities. In large quantities. QUANTITIES quantities मात्रा. In large quantities काफ़ी मात्रा में, बड़ी मात्रा में. Clear? 6 is GRASP grasp. Grasp means understanding. Grasp, understanding. Our 7th is cellar. What is 7th? Cellar. And meaning of cellar is an underground room used for storing things. And अंडरग्राउंड रूम, एक अंडरग्राउंड रूम जो किसके काम आता है? यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरिंग थिंग्स, जहाँ पे चीज़ों को क्या किया जाता है? स्टोर किया जाता है. अवर नेक्स्ट इज न्यूज़ बॉय. न्यूज़ बॉय. व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ न्यूज़ बॉय? अ बॉय हु सेल्स न्यूज़पेपर. व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ न्यूज़ बॉय? अ बॉय हु सेल्स न्यूज़पेपर. Next is disused. Disused means no longer used. Disused, no longer used. Our next is pursue. PURSUE. Pursue means go after. पीछे जाना, किसी चीज़ के पीछे भागना. क्लियर? उसका अनुसरण करना, उसको फॉलो करना. Pursue means go after. Our 11th is handicap. What is 11th? Handicap. Handicap means disability. Disability. किसी चीज़ की एबिलिटी ना होना. Disability. क्लियर? जैसे किसी शरीर के किसी अंग का ना होना. हैंडीकैप होना मीन्स डिसएबिलिटी. Our 12th is concentrate. What is 12th? Concentrate. Concentrate means to give all your attention. अपना पूरा ध्यान देना, किसी चीज़ के ऊपर अपनी पूरी अटेंशन डालना. That is called concentrate. 13th is boxcar. What is 13th? Boxcar. Boxcar means a closed railway coach. A closed railway coach for carrying goods. For carrying goods. Our 4th is barn. BARN. Barn means a large farm building to store grain and keep animals in. What is the meaning of barn? A large farm building. एक बड़ी सी फार्म बिल्डिंग जहाँ पे क्या स्टोर किया जाता है, किस लिए? फॉर स्टोरिंग ग्रेन्स एंड फॉर कीपिंग एनिमल्स. A large farm building to store grain and keep animals in. So how many word meaning? 14. First is fragile means weak, adult confused, withdraw to take back, curiosity, strong wish to know something. 5th is voraciously, in large quantities, grasp, understanding. 7th is cellar, an underground room used for storing things. Newsboy, a boy who sells newspaper. Disused, no longer used. Pursue, go after. Handicap, disability. Concentrate, to give all your attention. Boxcar, a closed railway coach for storing goods. Barn, a large farm building to store grain and keep animals in. Now we will do synonyms. Synonyms means, what is the meaning of synonyms? Same meaning. Clear? First is daring. What is first? Daring. DARING. What is first? Daring. Daring means bold. What is the synonym of daring? Bold. Daring, bold. Second is anxious. What is second? Anxious. 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 Anxious means worried. What is the synonym of anxious? Worried. Anxious means चिंतित. Worried means भी क्या होता है? चिंतित. Clear? Daring, साहस दिखाना. Clear? बहादुर होना, bold होना. And bold means also बहादुर. Our third is educate. Educate means teach. What is the spelling of educate? EDUCATE. Educate. and synonyms of educate is teach. Our fourth is consumed. What is fourth? Consumed. Consumed means used. Consumed करना, उसको use करना. Clear? Our fifth is distracting. Distract करना, ध्यान हटना किसी चीज़ से. Clear? Distract करना. Distract means diverting. Distracting, diverting. Distracting, diverting. Our sixth is refined. What is sixth? Refined. Refined means here well mannered. Well mannered. Refined, well mannered. Seventh is jolted. And synonyms of jolted is jerk. Jolted means यानी कि एकदम से जैसे झटका लगना. ठीक है, एकदम से जैसे किसी को धक्का देना. Jolted. Jolted means jerk. So let's do it again. Our first is daring, bold, anxious, worried, educate, teach, consumed, use, distracting, diverting, refined, well mannered, jolted, jerked. So dear students, we have done keywords, word meaning and synonyms of this chapter. Clear? You will write these in your English Reader Fair notebook. Okay.